So to illustrate the importance of these fields to the process of reconnection, we have a little simplified lab distribution here, lab demonstration that we'd like to show you. Now the equations that cover electromagnetic fields are called Maxwell's equations. And Maxwell's equations will tell us how this demonstration has many similarities with reconnection, also important differences, and so we'll talk about that too. So what we're going to see in this wire is I'm going to pass a current down this wire, and this will happen in a minute. And when I do that, there will start to be a dissipation in this wire. What Maxwell equations tell us is, in fact, the current sets up in a magnetic field structure outside this wire, and the electric field in the wire flows the magnetic field energy into this wire to cause dissipation. Now I can start to smell the wire, and soon you'll start to see it heat. Okay, and that's what we're doing. We're converting magnetic field energy into electrical energy or heat. Now, it's the case that if I crank up the current large enough in this particular constraint demonstration, soon you'll start to see the effects of this, and then very soon we will have an explosion that's very much like reconnection. We released, in this case, the energy of the tension in this wire, but it's those, you saw that hot spot where we have concentrated dissipation, and that's what we're looking for in MMS. We're trying to find those hot spots out in space. Now you can't see them like we could in this wire because it's a rarefied plasma, and that's the major difference between this demonstration and the case of looking for reconnection in plasmas. It's quite a bit of difference in the sense that in this wire I understand what happens, why this wire heats up and we cause this dissipation. As it gets hotter, since the wire is under tension, it thins, the resistance goes up, but the current has stayed the same because I adjusted this power supply that way. And so what happens eventually is all the dissipation goes into a very small region, and then it separates the wire. MMS is investigating reconnection because we do not understand at all what causes the dissipation in plasma.